Another that spoke in favor of democracy, we have Woodrow Wilson. Prior to being President Wilson, in 1887, he points out, state socialism proposes that all idea of a limitation of public authority by individual rights be put out of view, and that state consider itself bound to stop only at what is unwise or futile. What's he saying? Government power shouldn't be limited in order to protect the rights of the people. He's saying the only limit on government power should be what they feel is unwise or futile. Of course, they're the ones that will judge that. That's the vision of state socialism. It's only limited by their own good judgment. That's a little scary. Then next, he demonstrates how democracy and socialism are almost identical. He says, in fundamental theory, socialism and democracy are almost, if not quite, one and the same. They both rest at the bottom upon the absolute right of the community to determine its own destiny and that of its members. Men as communities are supreme over men as individuals. What he's referring to here as the rights of a community trump individual rights. What the will of the majority wants can trump your God-given unalienable rights that we talk about in the Declaration of Independence. Later, when he became president, promoting democracy, he says, 16, he appealed to our nation to enter World War I to make the world safe for democracy. It shouldn't be surprising that it was during the Wilson administration that our nation began to think of itself as a democracy rather than a republic. The word democracy started to have widespread use across our country, convincing us that truly we can do whatever we want as long as the majority goes along with it.